Hi, I hope y'all are having a great day today. My name is John with Greenlight Property Management, and today we're here at 5017 Prestwick Drive in Fort Worth, Texas. The zip code is 76135. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. It's approximately 1,726 square feet. Here is a layout of the front yard here. As you can see, very nice yard. We have some red mulch here in the flower bed, good amount of bushes. Good nice size garage there. As you can see, we have like kind of a 2-space driveway here that probably put 1 2 1 2, so 3 or 4 cars in the driveway. The garage is fairly big too. I would say if you have 2 smaller cars, it's a 2-car garage, but if you have like a bigger SUV, even maybe a mid-size SUV or a truck, it's probably only a 1-car garage. But take a look at the neighborhood here. Very nice neighborhood here in Fort Worth. As you can see, people keep their yards nice and clean. This home is actually really close to 820, Highway 820, I-35, which is a big highway here in the Metroplex, as well as I-20 and stuff like that. So lots of good access anywhere, and then plenty of schools and parks and restaurants all around here. So very nice area here in Fort Worth. We're actually kind of close to Eagle Mountain Lake as well, so you do have that kind of access. So here is when we walk up. As you can see, nice little patio area here. Very nice. So let's walk on inside. So you can see when we walk in here, we have really nice vinyl plank. It's kind of this gray, and it's very nice. As you can see here, we kind of have some multicolors here, but this is what the entry looks like. So essentially you just kind of walk in, and it's very nice. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to actually check out the kitchen, the living room, and dining room, and then we're going to come back this way, check out all the bedrooms, and then we'll check out the garage and the backyard. So as you can see in here, the ceilings are raised, or just a little bit higher, I guess you could say, which just makes the home feel that much bigger. Here's kind of the area to the living room, and then this is obviously the area to the kitchen. You have an archway here. As you can see here in the kitchen, very nice. Got the white cabinetry, kind of angled ceilings over there. Got our pantry here. This is the area where y'all would put the refrigerator. Got a nice little island here, but very nice kitchen. This is kind of a newer home, so you can see the layout is pretty open, and it's just very nice in here. So one thing to mention here in the kitchen, you can kind of see here, we got a stainless steel microwave there, stainless steel sink. We got the stovetop oven range here with some gas burners. We have our dishwasher here, very nice. And the sink has a disposal as well. So very nice kitchen in here. And let me turn us around so we can check out the dining room area. Very nice in here. I love that this window has a bay. You can kind of make it whatever you want to make it. If you wanted to make it like a bench, a part of, the dining set, you could. So very nice space here. And then we're going to turn back around, and we're going to check out, this is one of my favorite parts about the house. The living room is just huge. You got 3 big windows there, nice fireplace where you can, hang something over. And it's just very big in here. As you can see, open floor plan here. This closet door here is a storage closet for the living room. So very nice in here. The ceiling fan actually in here and in the master, they have remotes. So let's go ahead and walk on this way so we can get a backside view of what we were seeing when we walked in. And let's check out the first couple of bedrooms here. So as you can see, the layout is bedroom 1, hall bath, bedroom 2. So let's check out bedroom 1 here. As you can see, all the bedrooms are going to have carpet. Very nice bedroom here. We got the mini blinds with the curtains. So very nice in here. Good spacing, good light. And it's just a really good sized room. As you can see here, closet is a good space as well. So very nice. Let's check out the hall bath. As you can see here, pretty generic bathroom. But everything is pretty much updated because the home is somewhat newer. So as you can see here, very nice vanity with plenty of cabinetry. You know, we got a newer toilet here, as well as kind of that one-piece tub shower set. And so it's very, very nice. You know, you don't have any water like getting down in between any caulking or cracks, and you can just kind of let the water flow and not really worry about damage. So very, very nice in here that you have that. Let's move on in here into the second bedroom. Very similar to the first bedroom, like I mentioned. Carpet. Obviously the walls are a different color in here, but as you can see, we have double doors for the closet here. So let's check it out. This one does have more kind of like storage ability, I guess you could say. You know, if you want to put some shoes here, you can. But that's pretty much it. It's about the same. It's just obviously a little bit bigger and has a little more cabinetry space. So let's go check out the master. Aside from the living room, this is probably my favorite part about the house, just because of how the master is set up. As you can see, you kind of walk into the room at an angle, and it's just absolutely gigantic in here. You can see the big bay window here, kind of similar to the dining room, in that you can do a lot with it. And it looks out into the backyard, which is another cool part about the house that we'll check out here in a sec. But big bay window here, so super, super cool. And then as you can see, we got the angled kind of ceilings here. Very nice space in here. So let's check out the master bath. As you can see, very nice vanity set up here. You have an area for, you know, to scoot up a chair, you know, for, you know, putting on makeup and that sort of thing. You have a mirror here that you can pull out. So really unique, really cool. Let me turn this around here. Very beautiful tub here. Nice and big. We have also a stand-in shower. Very nice as well. And then in here we have a kind of private toilet area that you can kind of close off, you know, which in my opinion is really nice, just to have some privacy. So very nice with some cabinetry there. And then we have our master closet. As you can see, very big in here. Lots of good closet space. Obviously a walk-in closet with carpet here. So as you can see, I'm walking all the way down here, and we'll check out this other end. Kind of same thing. So very nice. So we're gonna go check out the laundry room and the garage, and then we'll head out into the backyard. Very cool that we have, you know, its own laundry room. To me, that's awesome that you can kind of close your laundry off, and it's its own little thing. But as you can see here, we have our washer hookups and our dryer hookups here. So very nice. Let me turn this around here so that we can see kind of a view of this side. But it's just really a view of the dining room and the kitchen. So, and then like I said, you have the ability to just kind of close it off and have your own little room in here. So let's check out the garage. So I will mention, this stuff will be removed Saturday morning. So this stuff will be out of here before anyone sees the property. So the owner just has to come and essentially get some more things. But as you can see here, good sized garage, lots of cabinet space here. And so we have obviously our hot water heater here and that sort of thing. But let me turn this around. We have some storage areas here as well. Stuff to hang, you know, garden tools, power equipment, that sort of thing. But good sized garage in here. And the attic access is in here. So let's go check out the backyard. This is probably my third favorite part about the house. It's just absolutely cool layout. And so it's very nice here. As you can see, the owner actually had a kind of a vegetable garden here, a pepper garden. You can kind of see some of the peppers growing, but really cool, really unique. We got some tomatoes here too, but super cool. We have a raised bed, flower bed here. Here's kind of the area to the gate in the backyard. As you can see, some big rocks. And I love how there's the tile here up onto the deck. Very nice. As you can see, it kind of continues. And we'll step up onto the deck. You see beautiful benches here. A nice pergola with even more benches. So you may be asking, why is there a pool net? And let me get to it, man. It is so cool. This is kind of our first property that's actually had like I guess a koi pond, if you wanted to call it. But as you can see here, very unique little pond here. There isn't any fish in it or anything, but it's really cool and super unique to this backyard. And as you can see, nice little bench here with rocks, and so super cool. Like I was mentioning, here's the master. You can look out and see the pond. I don't know if y'all were able to see that earlier, but super unique and very awesome. So again, this is 5017 Prestwick Drive in Fort Worth, Texas, 76135. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,726 square feet. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.